The Pinky Pincher. It's sharp, sweet, and dangerously easy to drink. And no, it's not named after some torture device an older sibling would use to inflict pain on their competition. The ingredient lineup: Bourbon Whisky, fresh lemon juice, fresh orange juice, Orgeat Syrup, which remember is made from almonds, so don't serve it to anyone with a nut allergy. Simple syrup. And with drinks like this, which are Tiki drinks, please remember, use plenty of ice. This is unique for a Tiki drink, as they tend to use rum more as a base spirit. Let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60ml, of the bourbon of your choice to the shaker. Then add 1/4 ounce, which is 7.5ml of your Orgeat syrup. Now follow up with another 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5ml of your simple syrup. Add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5ml of fresh lemon juice. And also, just to add, I've altered the specs on this one a little bit by upping the amount of bourbon and the lemon juice, so don't cry. Then add 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of fresh orange juice. Add ice to your shaker and then shake for 10 to 15 seconds. This is a drink for one of my favourite legends in the mixology world, Vic Bergeron, who is also known as Trade Vic. This was published in his 1972 book, Trade Vic, Bartender's Guide. I will cover loads more of his drinks on this channel in the future. Strain this into a double rocks glass. Now stack this up with crushed ice, and if you're lucky and have a pebble ice machine, use that. The key is, you can never have too much ice, so if you're making this for a group of people, please make sure you have more than enough, because 8 ice cubes was just about enough to fill up this glass. And just to add, I need a new scoop because this one is utter shite. Okay, garnish this with a lemon and an orange wheel. Then crown the snow cone with a mint sprig. The taste test. This is really good. The bourbon is really accommodating for the other ingredients. You do get the sweetness of the Orgeat, and I do admit it is a bit on the sweet side, so you might want to cut that back a little bit. The citrus notes shine through quite a bit with this, and I'm going to continue on and have another more in the garden as the sun's out. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.